Hello guys! Gawa tayo ng dry bread. Dahil mahilig kami mag-dry bread, gawa tayo ng... Dahil mahilig kami mag-barbecue, gawa tayo ng dry bread. Masarap ito guys. Natutunan ko dito sa South Africa ito. And of course, lagyan natin ng butter. Ang ingredient, butter, pepper, cheese, sweet chili, aromat or something. Magic sarap dyan sa Pinas. Tomatoes and onions. Para masarap yung dry bread, lagyan nyo ng butter both side guys. Nandito na sinadangkan. Hinatid kasi si Maria, yung helper namin. Last day niya ngayon, pero tomorrow Saturday, may schedule kami. Ako na ang magiging helper ni Duncan. Dapat ano siya guys, both side may butter kasi yun yung nagpapasarap. Si Duncan ang nagturo nito sa akin. Yung iba yung ginagamit, ano nga, may ibang tawag, South African something. Pero ako sweet chili kasi namis. At inuuna ko yung tomato. Malinis naman yung kamay ko. Dito na. Dito na si bulilit. Tapos lagyan natin ng aromat to. Tawag aromat dito. Yes, Mama is vlogging. And pepper. Come here. Pepper, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
And don't eat that one. Sweet chili, sweet chili.
Yeah.
Nilalagyan ko rin ng maraming sweet chili.
Mom, I put butter.
Yeah, Mama put butter already. Mas masarap kasi pag maraming sweet chili. Tapos cheese. Yes, ganyan. Cheese. Mas maraming cheese, mas masarap kasi magme-melt siya sa apoy, dahan-dahan. Your hands is clean, right? Okay. Dahan-dahan kasi siyang lulutuin. Come eat your cheese.
Mom, I put it here.
Okay.
Whee!
Whee!
Yes, there is some on this way.
Yeah. Kasi sinasabi niya dinala daw si Ante. Yeah. Onions. Onions, guys. Ay, sorry. Nasa pagitan yung cheese para mag-melt. Kasi yung onions at saka tomato, matagal silang maluto. Kaya sa both side ng tinapay. Careful, you will cry because onions the onions will make you cry, Brooks.
Mom, I help you?
Yeah.
I think it help.
Yeah, Mama is doing fine. Then, another batch of bread. Lagyan natin dito. Okay na siya. May pepper, may aromat. No, Brooks. No. No, don't eat the butter, Brooks.
And it is a mop.
It's very hot.
What?
Hot.
Hot?
Ouch! No. Don't put your fingers there.
Put this bite. As when it's wet.
Yeah, bread. As usual, dapat maraming butter.
Mom, put the butter.
Or margarine dyan. Masarap talaga ito. Lalo pag kinabukasan na malamig na. No, Brookie. Only this one because that one is there's a hard one.
Mom? This one? I put it down.
Yeah. Put it down.
We start.
Where's Daddy?
And then sliding some under the dandy.
Kasi magme-melt yung butter. Yes, guys. Tapos next, ilalagay natin doon sa lagay ng dry bread. Ito na siya, guys. Masarap siya. Ito, look.
I love put the shoe.
Gumawa ako guys ng 4 na peraso. Tig-isa kami ni Duncan for today and yung 2 para bukas. Babalik ka rin mo siya ng million times until maging brown. Pag ganito na ang kulay guys, or brown na siya, ready na siya na tanggalin dyan sa barbecue grill at saka luto na siya. Yummy, yummy!